520 at a bid now. That is not a rhetorical question. Ladies, put your hands in the air. It's your money too. At 500. Are you single or soon to be? Just give me $2,000 and put this thing to bed. At 1,000 at a bid now. Put up legs 11. What about 1-1? At $1,000, I'm going to sell it. Your car park at 1-1. At 1-2. There you go, warming up. Ladies are getting into it. Give them more alcohol, will you? At 1,200 at a bid now. I'll tell you what, Petrina, you're the best looking here by a long shot. At 15. At 1,500 at a bid now. You don't need the compliment at 16. At 2.5. Teachers, give up your car parks. Is it 2.6? At 2.6. At 2.7. At 2.7. At 2.7 at a bid now. At $2,700. At 2.7. Is it 2.8? My Marilyn Monroe look-alike. At 2.8. Sold straight through here. Because I've never seen an auction where more money made it worse. Coming over to see the Asian mafia over here. Let's go, ladies. All your husbands are out. I promise there are no political jokes, because frankly I've seen too many get elected over the years. But this is worth gold, Chief. You can sell it on eBay for $5,000 tomorrow. Ma'am, it's not like buying a husband. If you change your mind, you can sell it. $850 for Mr. John, Sir John Key. $850, $950, $1,050. At $1,150. At $1,150, at $1,250, of course. $3,800 at $3,900. Sold to table number 20.